Now there's this really cool stitch right here on the 3160. It's number 43. If you're on the 2030, it's going to actually be number 22. And this is an heirloom stitch, and it's one that a lot of people will use when garment sewing. They want a nice little space in between two pieces of cloth. I have an example here. So let's say I have two pieces of cotton. I have them folded over so I have a nice clean edge. I'm going to have them about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch apart. And let's go ahead and put that presser foot down. Again, it's just a decorative heirloom stitch, and I want to show you how cool this looks. I'm going to stop right there because I may be a little too close. So I might choose to make it go a little bit further apart. The nice thing about this stitch is that one of the tips I would have is if you were doing this on a real garment, I would actually use like a sticky back stabilizer underneath it and place it on top, and then that way you don't have to worry about that fabric shifting. I'm going to go ahead and just spread these out just a little bit more. Let's see what happens when I do that, because it really does want to draw these two pieces together, but I want them to be separate still. Okay, some people will even choose this just as a decorative stitch, but this is how it looks. And it actually even looks even better when you're using a heavier thread. So for example, like a 12-weight decorative thread would be gorgeous on this. Sometimes I'll even use this stitch if I'm trying to make two pieces actually come together, come closer together. I may choose to use a stitch such as this. So kind of a fun stitch, one that not a lot of people know about. And so I just encourage you to give it a try and play with it. And of course, put it in your notebook.